दो कॉपीज में है क्या? तो इसमें the first tabulation is district wise colleges, है ना? So there are how many in how many districts they have colleges? 47 districts, है ना? And in 47 districts they have total how many colleges?
354.
354. Just a minute. 364. And Mr. Kherkar, probably you earlier referred that there were 700 colleges.
Yes, madam. But including the GNM and GNM colleges. GNM has nothing to do with the college, university. The college who has run the GNM course only. After including them, it would be more.
Acha. So today we are concerned with this 364 colleges, है ना? Now 364 are spread over in 47 districts, and you have analyzed in page para 3, na? Each college. Now para 3 deals with name of the nursing institute inspected by CBI. Page 3, na? And this is number 11 colleges.
Sir, these are the common colleges. In their list of 364 and the number of colleges which we have inspected. These are the common colleges.
Acha, only 11 are common colleges. Out of 24 which you have inspected. 25. So 11 are which are appearing in that list. Acha. Now what is number 4? Now number 4 deals with the same colleges which you have mentioned in page 3.
And we have pointed out the definition.
And in this, so this was only a specimen.
Yes, sir.
This was only a specimen. Now it comes down to this. The total number of nursing colleges in 47 districts are 364.
Out of which 11 have already been inspected.
You have so far inspected in all 24 colleges. 25. Out of 25, 11 colleges are such which are finding their places in this list of 364. Now, 11 colleges which you have inspected, you have found deficiencies in around 8 colleges.
Out of these 11,
Out of 11.
नहीं सर, एक सेकंड.
6. So out of 11, 6 are such colleges where you have found deficiencies not as per the norms. And 5 colleges fulfilled all the requirements?
there were no major deficiencies.
Not, okay. So Mr. Modi, this is the position as regards sample verification. You will get a copy. We can give them a copy. So out of 11 colleges, 6 were found to be deficient. Only 5 colleges may be said to have a minor deficiencies, according to you, Mr. Officer. Purohit, am I right?
Right.
6 lacking in many standards, 5 in some deficiencies. So more than 50% out of 11 only. We do not know what would happen in relation to other colleges also. This is with reference to the colleges which claim to have been given retrospective affiliation. And we do not know whether those colleges in 2021-22, the students are of that year only? 2021. Now inspection has been done when?
In February and in April.
February to April 2023. Even up to 23, the deficiencies are evident. Now such colleges have been given, are amongst those colleges which have been given affiliation by the Medical Science University for the purposes of opening the link to provide enrollment numbers to the students of 21-22. Now imagine a situation. This may be termed as tip of the iceberg. You are talking of 364 colleges. Out of 24, 11 are common, which CBI has inspected. And out of 11, 6 are found to be lacking in many requirements under the rules. And you want this court to give you permission to allow those students also to apply for enrollment and appear in the examination of 21-22. Will it be possible for us? Situation is very grave. And today if we do this, I am telling you in times to come, this is going to have a catastrophic consequences in the entire state. It's a serious matter now. It has been serious since beginning, and that is why we had to arrest that order. See, the problem is that for what reasons I do not know. Why government has taken a decision to provide retrospective affiliations, whether legally entitled or not, that's a different issue. To allow all those students who are claiming to be the students of some given college without even verification of the fact whether those colleges are conforming to the requirements of rules or not, and whether those students have actually taken the course and completed the course. You said 20,000 students. I fail to understand how could there be 20,000 students in 364 colleges. Which students are these persons? Numbering 20,000 in 364 colleges. If you divide 20,000 by 364, how much it comes to? Just divide 20,000 by 364. Three 20,000 divided by 364, it comes to one college 312 students. Now 312 students in each college. 20,000 divided by
364.
It comes to
54.9.
54, 55.
55.
55 students in each college. See, now that is why I am asking you this question. We do not know. We have just done the rough homework. Now you do one thing. First you prepare list. This is now one list we have district wise. Let there be a list of government institutes.
It is with me.
Now, then you prepare a list against whom there was nothing in 2021. You have not done any inquiry, and they have been running for years together. Let us have that list also, so that we may ascertain the veracity of your statements with reference to these colleges, and ensure that these colleges are also given some time for inspection, and because they are the government colleges or the colleges which have been running the nursing colleges. Be fair on that. You pick up a college, let us have a standard for last say 10 years.
25 एक्सक्लूड कर देते हैं ना, 25 और 11 एक्सक्लूड हो जाएगा, सबसे गवर्नमेंट वाले बिल्कुल जाता है।
नहीं, दूसरी बात कर रहे हैं, इनसे दो लिस्ट बनवा रहे हैं, एक गवर्नमेंट की लिस्ट, एक ऐसे कॉलेजेस की लिस्ट जिसमें ये नर्सिंग कोर्स पिछले 10 साल से कर रहे हैं, उनको अच्छा
लेटेस्ट ना हो।
हाँ, prepare list for last how many years?
Date of initial
हाँ,
opening of the college.
then prepare out of that such colleges were for last 10 years and such colleges were last 5 years, and then colleges less than 5 years.
4 कैटेगरी हो गई, गवर्नमेंट लैंड, अरे गवर्नमेंट
मेरे पास है
मतलब आप चारों का एक चार्ट बना लीजिए अलग अलग, गवर्नमेंट
10 years, 5 years and less than 10 years.
less than 5 years. Then we will take up each list and we'll request Mr. Purohit to, I am getting a list prepared out for all these 364 colleges. Government colleges, number 2, colleges which are running for last 10 years, number 3, colleges running for last more than 5 years, and number 4, colleges running for last less than 5 years. Because we are talking of 21, 22, we are 20, 23. Let this bracket come in minimum, it should be more than that, right? And then let's have this, and then you can do for instance government colleges. You can go and inspect the record. You will not be required to do an extensive investigation because that's the government colleges. Likewise, such colleges where students have been studying for last 10 years and there has never been any inquiry or any complaint for such college, because there may be some reputed colleges. So why they should suffer? They should be, we can give indulgence for such students who have been doing it from the college which is reputed and which has never, such colleges which have never been subjected to any sort of inquiry or found to be deficient in any manner, right?
मोर देन 5 years और लेस देन 5 years दो ही में कर दें, 10 years वाले
10 years का pressure करते थे, ज़्यादा अच्छा हो जाएगा, फिर एक 45 years, 10 years कर दें. And likewise for you prepare it for less than more than 5 years and less than 5 years. So we may think of random sampling of government colleges more than 10 years and more than 5 years first, then less than 5 years would be more crucial, more vulnerable. So for these 3 categories we may think of random sampling, random inspection, right? Now the remaining colleges out of 25 are 14. Out of 25, if you minus 11 colleges, so it comes to 14 colleges. Now, which are these 14 colleges which you have inspected and surprisingly are not mentioned in the list of 364?
So they appear to be new colleges.
They were not found fit for granting application. That's why they are.
So they are out.
700 वाले में
Even
So now,
we have also de-recognized.
then Mr. Purohit, now your work would be slightly minimized because now they will give you these 4 lists. So first you do this year faster regarding government colleges.
गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज की अभी दे देता हूँ.
आप दे दीजिए इनको.
यहाँ पे भी सर शॉर्ट कॉलेज गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज प्रिंसिपल ही नहीं, रेगुलर प्रिंसिपल नहीं है आधे.
नहीं देखो मिस्टर शर्मा जी, एक बात आप ध्यान रखो, वी आर इन पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन, है ना, वी हैव टू स्ट्राइक अ बैलेंस
यस
because we also seriously concerned about the future of such students
जी
who have done the courses but for no wrong on their part they have been denied to appear in the examination for last 2 years. This aspect cannot be ignored. So persons, our only concern is only such students who have done the course sincerely and completed the training should be permitted to appear in the examination. That is our endeavor. But fraud people should be brought to books and dealt with sternly, whether it's a students or a group of students or a college or a group of colleges. We do not want breeding of such fraudulent colleges with impersonated persons taking the examinations for the benefit of a third person. That would really pollute the atmosphere in the state and shall seriously jeopardize the health of the general public. That is the silver line of the entire matter. That is our main concern. That's why we are doing this exercise. And Mr. Rohit, if possible, you increase your team so that early as possible we may clear those colleges who may be allowed to get the enrollment numbers for their students. But it has to be verified. We cannot just do like that. But you do the sampling work in government colleges and find that particularly faculties, staff, number of students, fee deposits and training centers. These are the few things among others which may be required under the rules. But as you said, there are some minor deficiencies which may be ignored also. But these are the crucial things. There may be something more also. So you are supposed to conduct this inquiry on that aspect also, with especially emphasis on these 4. So देखिए हम बच्चे जो है पढ़े थे नहीं पढ़ाए आप देखिए एकदम एक्सपोज्ड they should revamp it. तो चाहिए ना इनको आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजेस को ऑर्डर लेके बैठे हुए हैं, वो कुछ नहीं, ना वहाँ कुछ करते हो ना यहाँ कुछ करते हो. कितने लोग रिटायर हो गए प्रमोशन ना होने से, तो हमारे इंटरवेंशन से कुछ डिपार्टमेंट वो सब बताएगा, वो सब बताएगा.
क्या बात की है
10-5 पैसे अलग कर दिए
25 साल. हाँ, ये जो आपके गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस हैं ये कब से हैं?
पुराने हैं मेरे पास तो 20-21 के लिस्ट है और 22-23 के
नहीं, आप स्टूडेंट्स का तो देख रहे हैं, आप कॉलेज कब इस्टेब्लिश हुए हैं ये भी पता करिए। ये देना आपके भाई, आप नर्सिंग काउंसिल है ना, तो नर्सिंग काउंसिल इज सपोज टू हैव द रिकॉर्ड। तो आप जो भी आप लिस्ट
अगर ओल्ड
देंगे,
इस्टेब्लिशमेंट है तो ये आपके फेवर में है ना, इसलिए आप उसको बता दें।
मे बी अटैचमेंट इज ओनली फॉर ट्रेनिंग पर्पसेस। तो एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ कॉलेज इज इंडिपेंडेंट। हाँ, तो दिस डेट of establishment of college is also necessary. That will be a dividing factor. Government colleges 10 years, less than 5 years, more than 5 years, less than 5 years. Huh? Less than 5 years and more than 5 years, and 10 years and more. So, if some institutions are running for last more than 10 years, they may be put in different class. Now the ball is in the court of nursing, university and the government. You all need to have coordination. If you do not have coordination, then you will be responsible for further dealing the matter. You all have to sit together and work it out impartially and honestly, so that CBI's work burden is lightened. Then we will consider every other things. अब late तो होएगा because it's a serious matter. Now you have seen the sampling. Out of 24, 11 are found common, and out of 11, 6 are found lacking in major lacking criteria. Imagine situation. Yes, please.
Madam, they have given a list of 25 government colleges. So, madam, all of them are to be required or randomly some of them?
You first do some random, which is, are you being provided with some assistance by the government or not?
Sir, we are taking expert from MP, NRC and INC, and also our officers, CBI officers.
No, Mr. Modi, why should you not provide them some facility in terms of logistics, in terms of some human resources? No, because if they have proper conveyance, if they have proper staff which may assist them at a given point with the intervention of the responsible officers, their work would be easier. Mr. Purohit, you may, I will pass the order that you, every collector of every district where you are visiting shall ensure that you are provided with the conveyance, the accommodation, food and local staff to help facilitate inspection, so that he may do it in a faster manner. ठीक है? Shall I write it? That is why without asking you, I have already asked Mr. Khedkar to prepare a list. You must have heard me. So let that list be first prepared. I am sure your name would find in those lists. All lists have to be verified, and then we will consider. And Mr. Purohit, one thing more you do, especially when you verify the students 21, 22 का, तो उसका जब आप इंस्पेक्शन करेंगे तो उसमें आप 3-4 चीज़ें देखिएगा। एक तो पहला तो आप ये देखेंगे कि इन्होंने फी डिपॉजिट्स कब कब करी है। ऐसा तो नहीं है कि इन्होंने एक साथ सभी बच्चों की फीस एक दिन जमा करवा दी हो। भाई सेमेस्टर सिस्टम होता है ना, तो फी डिपॉजिट पीरियोडिकल होना चाहिए इन नॉर्मल कोर्स। दूसरा ये देखिएगा कि इन्होंने जो अटेंडेंस रजिस्टर्स रखे हैं बच्चों के, उसकी कंसिस्टेंसी को चेक करेंगे आप, और फिर इनका रिकॉर्ड आप उस अस्पताल से वेरीफाई करेंगे जहां इन्होंने ट्रेनिंग करी है। और ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल क्या था? ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल क्या था भाई? एक होता नहीं है कि भाई इतने बच्चे इस सेशन में ट्रेनिंग करेंगे, ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल ये है, इस पीरियड होता है, और उसमें पूरा होगा, एक सिस्टम होता होगा पूरा, कि चार्ट होता होगा कैसे ट्रेनिंग होनी है। तो वो अस्पताल से आप वेरीफाई करेंगे कि आपके क्या ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल है और कितने बैचेस में कितने स्टूडेंट्स थे आपके पास में फॉर द पीरियड 21-22। करने दीजिए आप,
2021.
इंटरवेनर ने लगाया।
हाँ,
21 और 21, 22.
2020.
आई एम सॉरी,
B60.
20-21, आई गेट कंफ्यूज।
इसकी कॉपी इनको दिलवा दें क्या?
आई एम बैड इन ऑन फैक्ट्स। तो 2021 अपना एम्फेसिस यही है, क्योंकि इनके जितने बच्चे ही बता रहे हैं ये 20-21 का बता रहे हैं, तो अपने को फोकस करना है 20-21 पे। उसके बाद भी काम खत्म नहीं होगा आपका, लेकिन अभी तो हमें पहले 20-21 की देखनी है कितने बच्चे जेन्युइन है। तो ये जो अपनी चीजें बताई हैं आपको कॉलेज से और हॉस्पिटल से 20-21 के रेफरेंस में बताई है। अगर कोई कंफ्यूजन दिमाग में हो तो पूछ लीजिएगा, फिर बाद में ये ना हो साहब मैं ये समझ नहीं पाया था। आप पूछ लो, अभी पूछ लो, ये टाइम
गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज के इनफ
नहीं, सबका है, ये तो कॉमन है। इट इज कॉमन टू ऑल कॉलेजेस वेदर गवर्नमेंट अदरवाइज। देखिए हमने पहले ही 4 लिस्ट बनवा दी, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज मोर देन 10 years, more than 5 years and less than 5 years। ठीक है। अब इसमें आपको स्टूडेंट्स 20-21 के बारे में इंक्वायरी करना है कि 20-21 की स्थिति में क्या पोजीशन थी। अब वहाँ पे आज की तारीख में कुछ इम्प्रूव कर लिया हो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में, दीगर बात है। अगर इम्प्रूवमेंट है तो कब का इम्प्रूवमेंट है, या एग्जिस्टेंस तब क्या था, 20-21 की क्या पोजीशन थी, उसमें आप अगर कर सकते हो तो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का भी देख लो, प्लस स्टूडेंट्स का जो हमने बताया है आपको, ये इम्पोर्टेंट है। भाई आपको तो 1 साल 2 साल का 1 साल का है। हाँ, तो ये परीक्षा जो हो रही है 20-21 की है, तो 20-21 का जो फर्स्ट ईयर है वो तो उसी को देख लो। हाँ
May I submit?
हाँ बताएं.
The university has granted affiliation to the some of the college against which faculty duplicacy के भी आरोप है.
आप हम अभी
एक चीज,
हाँ
एक रिक्वायरमेंट, बस एक चीज.
आप एक काम करिए. तो आप और कुछ पूछना है आपको मेरे से? Be frank and clear. I don't mix my words and I don't want you to have any confusion. अब मिस्टर शर्मा, जो लिस्ट ये प्रोवाइड करेंगे ये आपको भी मिलेगी. आपको जो भी उसमें कहना है वो आप कमेंट्स लिख करके मिस्टर राजू शर्मा को दे दीजिए. दैट विल बी काउंटर चेक्ड बाय हिम. जब सीबीआई कर ही रही है इंक्वायरी, आप लिख के राजू शर्मा जी को दे दीजिए जो कहना है आपको. बट वही चीज कहना जो ऑथेंटिक हो.
नहीं नहीं बिल्कुल.
मतलब किसी कहने से कोई मत कहना.
कोई ऐसा वेग
हाँ कोई वेग या मतलब कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं करना उसको.
प्रोसीडिंग में आया सर उनकी.
जो भी है आप लिख के देना इनको, ये उसको वेरीफाई करेंगे.
ठीक.
उसमें जो चीजें होंगी वो देखा जाएगा,
वो लिस्ट दे दें सर.
वो बनाएंगे वो. चलिए लिखिए, श्री सो एंड सो फॉर द पिटिशनर, सो एंड सो फॉर द पिटिशनर, श्री मोदी फॉर द स्टेट, मोदी निधि फॉर यूनिवर्सिटी एंड खेड़कर फॉर. देखो हम ये ऑर्डर लिखवा रहे हैं. जेके शर्मा कौन है?
जी सर. आइए फाइल किया मैंने सर इन पर्सन्स टू बी अर्लियर ऑर्डर.
अच्छा ये 4847 है ना आपका? हाँ
दिलीप कुमार शर्मा.
हाँ देखिए 4847 लिखा रहे हैं. जेके शर्मा फॉर, आप क्या आप तो कुछ जितेंद्र कुमार. अच्छा जितेंद्र कुमार शर्मा है. जेके शर्मा. अच्छा जेके शर्मा फॉर द पिटिशनर, श्री मोदी फॉर द स्टेट, निधि फॉर मेडिकल साइंस यूनिवर्सिटी एंड विवेक फॉर नर्सिंग कॉलेज. देखिए this WP is now being heard along with WP number 204321, wherein Sankalp Sharma is for the petitioner, MS Nidhi for Medical Science University. अच्छा तपन त्रिवेदी for Medical Science University. Kanungo for number 2 and Vivek for number 3 है. number 3.
एक चीज बतानी सर, इसमें ये दो मैटर सुप्रीम कोर्ट में ट्रैवल किए, दो 3 एसएलपीज हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट में, 2 से डिस्पोज ऑफ हो गई है. ये ऑर्डर से श्रीमान एक बार देख.
हाँ दिखा दो. लिखा हुआ उसको. दो कॉपी है.
इसमें 9/1/23 का ऑर्डर चैलेंज किया.
वो कौन सा ऑर्डर है?
वो जब श्रीमान ने सर इसमें कहा था कि 70 कॉलेजों को छोड़ के बाकी की सबकी जांच होगी.
वो तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा था.
वही
हाँ.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऑर्डर सर 2 एसएलपीज और फाइल करी थी कॉलेजेस में.
हाँ
तो वो इन ऑर्डर से डिस्पोज ऑफ हो चुकी है.
क्या कहा है उन्होंने?
एक ऑर्डर हुआ है सर, ये 3/3/2023 का ऑर्डर है.
जस्ट अ मिनट. ये हाई कोर्ट का जो ऑर्डर है
सर
वो 9/1/23 का बता रहे हैं ये, है ना. और इसमें हाँ तो ये तो इनकी WP डिसमिस हो गई विद लिबर्टी टू फाइल एप्लीकेशन इन दैट केस.
एक और है सर उसके बाद में एक और उसमें भी है।
अच्छा, उसमें क्या है भाई?
उसमें भी यही है सर।
तो इससे क्या
They seek to withdraw the permission to file special petition along with special petition with liberty to file appropriate applications before the High Court seeking appropriate orders. The special leave petition is accordingly dismissed as withdrawn with the above liberty.
Now, what is the SLPC 11/5/85/23?
ये भी सर इसे ये हुई
नहीं, ये तो मेरिट पे ही खाली
29-23 को
आफ्टर हेयरिंग लर्नर
29-23 को सर दो ऑर्डर्स 2 SLPs फाइल हुई।
मेरे त्रिवेदी एक मिनट आज देखिए,
उसका सर डायरी नंबर है।
देखिए एक का डायरी नंबर है 11/5/85/23, 29/3/23 का ऑर्डर है, ठीक। अब इसमें देखिए जो 11/5/85 है वो लास्ट पेज में है, देखा आपने? उसमें लिखा हुआ है परमिशन टू फाइल SLP इज ग्रांटेड, delay condoned. After hearing learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioners, we find no ground to interfere with the impugned orders passed by the High Court. The special leave petitions are accordingly dismissed. However, petitioners are at liberty to file an appropriate application before the High Court. If such an application is filed before the High Court, the same may be decided on its own merits expeditiously in accordance with law. तो ये कौन सा ऑर्डर जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अपील किया है?
ये सर 9/1/23 का ऑर्डर, ये 2480 में
2480 उठाइएगा कौन सी?
2020-438
नाउ 9/1/23
ऑर्डर शीट वाला दीजिएगा।
देखो ऑर्डर सुन लीजिए क्या था 9/1 का। 9/1 का ऑर्डर ये था, लर्नड काउंसिल इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ द ऑर्डर पास in the context of the order passed by this court on 27/9/22 and 28/9/22, Learned Counsel for the parties referred to and read out the order of the Supreme Court dated 21/10/22. आप ज़्यादा बहस कर देते हैं, समस्या ये है।
सुन लीजिए पूरी बात।
थोड़ी बारीकी समझा करिए बात की, आप हैं होशियार, मुझे पता है। Learned Counsel for the parties are in agreement that the aforesaid orders are stayed only so far as they relate to colleges cleared by the committee, that is MP Nursing Council. Shri Raju Sharma, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of the CBI, submit that except the aforesaid matter may be inquired under directions contained in para 13.1, 13.2 and 13.3. He may do so. Place the compliance report on record after 6 weeks. Now look at the consequences. This order of 9/1/23 has not been interfered with by the Supreme Court. The result is that except 70, for the remaining colleges, there shall be an inquiry by the CBI in terms of the directions 13.1, 13.2 and 13.3. That is now final. that inquiry cannot be whittled down by any person, much less state government. That inquiry has to go on, even if for any reason we say inquiry may not go on, still inquiry has to go on till this order is modified or resiled. ये है इस ऑर्डर का महत्व. इस ऑर्डर के रहते जब तक ये इंक्वायरी नहीं हो जाती है तब तक कोई एक्शन अदर कॉलेजेस के फेवर में नहीं लिया सकता. ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट के इस ऑर्डर से क्लियर है. ये है मतलब इसका. इसलिए ये इंक्वायरी तो होनी है जो हाई कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर कर दी है 9/1/23 को, 27/8 और 28/8/22 को. वो इंक्वायरीज होनी है. देयर इज नो एस्केप. अभी हम लोग क्या लिखवा रहे थे? हाँ, क्या है? नेक्स्ट, श्री खेड़कर श्री पुरोहित, the Deputy SP CBI present in the court has passed on वो कहाँ है? वो जो लिस्ट दिया था इन्होंने,
Yes.
has passed on a compilation to demonstrate comparison. The same is taken on record. Pass of comparison sealed cover, opened in the open court, stop, perused. The same is taken on record. बहुत सब इसकी कॉपी एक और हुई ना, कहीं रखी हो, निकाल के दिखाना कहाँ रखी है. जी साहब की कॉपी है वाली. एक कॉपी और रही होगी कहीं पे, देखना, चेक कर लेना कहाँ है.
इसी के अंदर हो गया.
हाँ, चेक कर लेना उसको. It suggests that the state government has handed over a list of 364 nursing colleges having been granted affiliation by the impugned order in WP number 4847 of 23. क्या लिखा? उसके बारे में क्या लिखा था? हाँ, वो सजेस्ट निकाल देना, वर्ड सजेस्ट निकाल देना. On the previous day of hearing, the state government had submitted a list of 364 colleges, nursing colleges throughout the state, having been granted affiliation by the order impugned in WP number so and so and so and so. Shri Purohit has prepared a chart to demonstrate number of colleges granted renewal and new colleges out of 364 colleges district wise. यही है ना? Full stop. Besides, so far, besides, second paragraph, fresh paragraph. Besides, out of 25 colleges inspected by the CBI by force of order of this court dated 27/8/22 and 28/8 at 27/9/22 and 28/9/22 passed in WP number 20438/21. Eleven colleges are amongst 364 list of 364 colleges find place in the list of 364 colleges. Full stop. Out of which 6 colleges do not conform to multifaceted criteria of running a nursing college as per Rule 18 of 2018 rules. यही किया ना? It is indeed a matter of grave concern that even in sampling test, even in it is indeed serious. It is indeed a grave situation that even such colleges have been given affiliation which do not conform to the requirement of rules as aforesaid, even in the year 2023-24. However, the same is subject to submissions advanced by either party. Shri, first off, this second. Next, under these circumstances, as it transpired during the course of hearing and suggestions made by the counsel for the parties. In the backdrop of the aforesaid facts, during the course of hearing, some suggestions have been made. We countenance to the same and hereby order as under. Shri Vivek Khedkar, Learned Counsel for the MP Nursing Council, shall prepare list of nursing colleges on following terms. Roman 1. List of nursing colleges. क्या लिखा? Nursing colleges existing as on 2021. In following manner. The throughout state of Madhya Pradesh. One. List of government colleges government nursing colleges. Number 2, list of colleges established 10 years or more and established and running for last 10 years or more as on 2021. 3, nursing colleges established and running for last 5 years or more. Or 4th, nursing colleges established and running for last 5 years or less. Next, such list shall be handed over to Shri Raju Sharma Advocate, appearing for the CBI. Full stop. For the purpose of inquiry, in terms of the aforementioned orders in past WS also. ठीक? तो है ना वो? Amongst other area of the scope of inquiry has already been specified by this court under directions number 13, 1, 2 and 3 of the order dated 28/2/22. Stop. Besides, Shri Purohit shall also ensure inquiry with reference to requirement of Rule 18 with special emphasis to infrastructure, logistic supports, students, attendance, trainings, etc. अब सब मैं लिखा चुका हूँ, बस सब चीज़ नहीं लिखवा रहा हूँ मैं, बाकी बता चुका हूँ मैं आपको। ये मत कि आपने तेल लिखवाया था, you know the details क्या करना है आपको। I will not fill the colors you have to fill. Initially, let there be sampling verification which may be done by Shri Purohit and his teams at his discretion.
In 4 type of colleges.
Now obviously उसी बात चल रही है ना। Stop. Next. Shri Modi, एक मिनट, MS Nidhi and Shri Vivek shall ensure that MP's Medical Science University and MP Nursing Council extends full support to the investigating agency